Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial series on Docker. So till now we know that our apps run inside a container and a container is a running instance of an image. To build an image we need a Docker file. In this video we are going to create a Docker file for creating an image of our Node.js code. So if we have to create a Docker file for our Node.js code, what will I do? I will take any Linux operating system. In this case I am taking Alpine because Alpine is a very trimmed version of Linux. It does not contain a lot of drivers like audio driver, video driver and all those things. And on top of that I will install Node.js. Once I am done with Node.js and Alpine, I will copy package.json from my host machine inside our image. So once the package.json is on our inside our container, we will ask our Docker file to run npm install to install the node modules on our machine on our container. And once node modules are installed, we will copy the source code from our host machine to the Docker image. Here instead of using Node.js and Alpine, we can use Node.js image from the Docker repository. So we will go to Docker Hub. The URL is hub.docker.com and here we are going to search for Node. On searching for Node we will get this repo and we can see that this is the Docker official image of the Node.js. And if we are going to see the Docker file of the current version, we can see that it was built on top of Alpine and there were a lot of things that were done on top of that. So these things were made easier for us to use. Now we will go to this URL. The link of the URL is in the description. This repo contains a sample code of a Node.js application. We will go and download the code on our machine. I have downloaded the code and opened it in VS Code. Here we can see our file index.js, that is the main file, and we can see that there is a simple hello world response from a /URL and the application is running on the port 3000. There is also a package.json and it contains the dependency of Express. So firstly, in order to run the application, I will run npm install. This will install all the dependencies of the application, and after that I will run node index.js and we can see that the application is running on port 3000. So we will go to the browser and open localhost 3000 and we can see that our application is running. So that how to run our application. So now let's create a Docker file that will contain all these steps. In order to Dockerize our code, we are going to need a Docker file. So I will go and create a file named Docker file. This Docker file is going to contain all the instructions that we need to build our image. And our image is always built on top of any other image. So here as a base image we are going to use Node. So Docker file always start from statement and followed by a base image name. So the name of the base image is Node. And after that I am going to specify the work directory that is going to contain all our code. So it will contain work dir and let's say user/app. After that I want to copy package.json from my host machine to inside our work directory. So I will use copy command. The file name is package.json and the target location is dot. So after that we want command npm install to run inside our container or image. So we can specify that using run command. So I will write run npm install. So this will run npm install inside our image. And once we are done with this, we will copy entire source code from our host machine inside our container. So I will use copy again. The source will be the current URL, current location, and the destination is going to be the current working directory, that is also dot inside our container. Now I will open the code on our container, and as our application is running on port 3000, I will export port 3000, and after that I will write cmd node server node, and the main file is our index.js, so I will write index.js. So cmd command defines the runtime. So we are done with our Docker file here. Now we will save the Docker file. We'll go to the terminal and see that our Docker file is here. Going to build the image from our Docker file, so we will use the command docker build and specify the tag, let's say my app, and now the location of the Docker file, that is current directory, so I specify dot, and I will run that, and it will take a bit of time to. Now our docker build command has successfully executed, so let's dive what has been done here. So our docker file has been loaded, and it also has ignored the docker ignore file, and now we can see that from it is downloading an image of node.js from a docker.io. So these all are the content from the node.js image, and once the image is downloaded, the work directory is changed, package.json is copied inside the image, and all those commands are executed. Okay, so now let's go and let's see our docker image. So let's see, run the command docker images. We can see that our image with latest tag my app is existing here. Now I will go and run a container from this image. So I will use docker run command, docker run -d -p 3000 :3000. We are binding 3000 port of our host machine to the 3000 port of our container, and the name of the image is my app. We can see that our command has been successfully executed, as we can see the ID of the container. Now we will go to the browser and refresh the localhost 3000, and we can see that we are getting response from the inside of the container. So now if we go and see what all containers are running, we can see that a container with image my app is running, and the port binding is 3000, and from where we are getting the response. All for the video. In this video we learned how to create a Docker image of a Node.js application. In the next video we are going to create a Docker image for a Python application.